Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Volvo XC40 B4 R-Design Pro. This car comes with the mild hybrid petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 194 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 39 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 25 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 47,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is called the Glacier Silver and looks in great condition for the age of mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the first owner chose over £2,000 worth of factory options. These include the metallic paint, the park assist, and then also the full-length glass roof, so that's really nice. The interior is in really good condition. The seats there are half suede and leather, and the driver's side is then also electric, and you have the memory seat function on the driver's door card. There's an armrest and two cup holders in the centre for the front passengers, and then onto the dashboard you then have your large multimedia screen in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention: the car also has heated front seats, climate control, cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel, the virtual cockpit display, and then automatic headlights and wipers. And on the driver's door card, as I mentioned, you've then got your memory functions there for the front seat, driver's seat, and then your full window controls, and then your electric mirror switches there as well. The XC40 is a great small SUV for the family, so nice wide door opening if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents, as well as a charging port there in the centre. Opening the tailgate, which is electric, reveals a good sized boot there with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor you've got your tyre inflator kit as well as a bit of extra storage. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.